With President Trump recently signing executive orders targeting diversity-based federal programs, or DEI for short, many local businesses want to know if they have to change their internal diversity policies. Ryan Hermanette sought out advice from a legal expert on this. He joins us now from the newsroom to explain what exactly these orders mean. And Ryan, what changes have been made so far to the law?
Well, Natalie, that's the thing. There technically aren't any changes to existing federal or state law surrounding DEI in private sector work environments. This is what attorney Anna McCarthy with Harder, Sechrist, and Emery explained to me earlier today, along with an analysis of what these executive orders do mean for private employers. Within the first days of office, President Donald Trump signed executive orders stopping diversity, equity, and inclusion programs within the federal government. But Anna says this doesn't mean equal opportunity laws themselves have changed. She adds the laws protecting folks from discrimination in the workplace, both at the federal and state levels, are still in place and are still expected to be upheld by private sector employers. However, the executive orders may impact private sector businesses in other ways.
We may see some effects from these executive orders on private employers because of the way that the laws may be interpreted going forward by courts. So where we may see an impact on private employers is, for example, if there's a charge filed with the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunities Commission, the EEOC. The EEOC may take direction from these executive orders for how to apply the law with respect to administering a charge that someone files against an employer. There's also
Now, it's important to note that this scenario is only applicable to private sector businesses. Any business affiliated with the federal government, including those who are contracted, are expected to proceed with the termination of their DEI programs. Now, there's a lot more to unpack with this, Natalie, which I'll do tonight on News 8 at 6. But for now, I'll send things back to you at the desk.
All right, Ryan, thank you for that recap.